Hi everybody, this is Moving Glory Lisa 007 and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Please like this video and share it. I'm just coming up with some new ideas to do for display, so I came up with whatever I had already in my stash. And I found this old piece of board from Michael's. They still have it. You have to look for it somewhere in the wood section at Michael's store. Or you can find it at Hobby Lobby and Joann's, whichever you prefer. We're making a ring display to hold our rings. I made this one using wire wrapping, and I decided I'm going to display these really nicely. I had these cones. They come in black. You can find yours on Amazon. I just ordered mine, so it should be here on Monday. So hopefully today is Friday, and yeah, we're gonna do an experiment on camera to see how this works. I don't know what type of glue it's going to hold, but hopefully wood will work with a hot glue gun and your, of course, glue stick. And to hold it, I'm just using a regular paper plate, and of course you need a mat, some type of fabric that you don't mind, getting a little bit messy with. So you need our cones. You can use I'm just doing an experiment. You can make as many, you can use a picture frame and you can place them on however you want. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to place it on the board nice and neat. We're going to put 2 right on the top and 1 right on the bottom. So the only thing I'm going to do, I decided I like this color a lot, so there's no need to paint it. But if you really want to paint it black, you can just get a spray can or one of those regular paints that you find at Michael's store or Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and you can paint these. You can even paint over these to make it black. I already ordered mine black, so I'm going to try this experiment again on Monday. So let's see. Today is 23rd April 2021. So we're going to hot glue it down. I'm going to turn you guys around. Hi everybody. I hope you guys can see me. And here's the piece of wood, the back and the front. We want to place it here. We're going to experiment to make it look nice and neat. And here it is. Like this. We're going to do it like this. I'll turn it around so you guys can see that. Excuse me. And let's see if we can glue this thing down. Let's see if we're going to experiment and see if the hot glue gun move these rings out of the way, and to see if it will work. Take everything off. Make sure you turn the glue gun on. I don't know if you can see that. But anyway, let's take the bottom. Alright, let's glue it. You want something strong enough to hold this thing down. Usually that hot glue gun will work. So we're going to try to glue it as best we can. There's the glue. Put it down on your paper plate. Take the board, center it down. Let's see if it works. There's one. And take the other one. Take the bottom. You want to put the glue gun on the bottom right here. So place it all over as best you can without getting the glue all over you. Glue gun might be your best bet to use this project. I'm not sure what will really work. That the companies use special type of glue to make it all look so pretty and professional. And remember, as a crafter, you trial and error. So yeah, it seems like the glue gun is working. So for a stick, it looks like it's working. Alright, we're not disappointed. Take that bottom, put the glue right here, use your glue gun and stick, and glue away. This is a fun project. I got this idea when I was trying to organize a display, and I want to do it very professionally and nice and neatly, so you guys can, you know, see, you know, how it will be. So here it is. I'll put this one right here in the center. If you have glue here, just remove it. Looks like it worked. Yay! I'm so pleased. It's not wibbling. It's not wibbling. You just hold it down. This is my trial and error. I love this. It looks really cute. Don't you guys think? Let me know, you know, what you guys think about this project. I'm going to do another one of this experiment with the picture frame. And then we'll use the same concept using the thing. Let's put our rings on here now. Trying to a little bit coordinate it. Have this, the gold. It just sits right on top. You don't need to do anything else. There it is. Ain't that cool? I'm so happy. And you can paint it over, but like I said, this was an experiment. I need to probably make the ring a little bit bigger. But this is the first time I use these cones. I bought these cones about 3-4 years ago. Didn't know what to do with them. Then the idea just came to me this morning. So this is it. This is my ring display. Alright. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the other experiment, and we'll see what happens. Bye, everybody.